Okay, now I'm going to show you the process of taking a bit like this one and grinding it. So those of you who use the SUU lab, this is how you do it. So we're going to take this little black thing, which was in the Dremel box, and I'm assuming it's an aluminum oxide block, not 100% sure. So we're going to take them in here, and the collet on the LPKF and the collet on this bad boy, the Dremel, happen to be the same size. So you'll notice there's two ends to the tool. There's the business end that's got all those, it's milled out for cutting and all that stuff. That's the end we want to put into the Dremel. So we'll slide that end in, and then the flat end, if I could find it on my camera, is sticking out the other end. So we're just going to put this in here so that we can grind it on this block. So now I've got to set the camera down. And if you've never tightened a tool on the Dremel, you got to push this blue button down and then put the wrench around it. And the blue button holds the internal collet from spinning freely. And then once you get it tight, you can feel it start to tighten a little bit. And you just tighten it down. Don't over tighten it, it'll probably squish it in there. Anyway, so you get it in there. You want to have this over as far as possible. I didn't get it over quite far enough. Loosen it up and shove it down in there a little farther. So should look about like that. Then I'm going to get the little brick here. Alright, it doesn't do a super good job, but it gives it a little bit more. All you need really is like maybe 1 millimeter offset. Since this stuff is really hard, we don't want to do it on the sandpaper, on the sander, or on the grinder because it will eat both of them up. Hopefully I can find a better solution, but for now this is what we're going to do. Alright, that's it. Now you can just pop this back into the LPKF and it'll be a lot easier for that collet to slide around.